Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Hadin bala sapriang ki kubor baka Star Cement kala yo ye ka clearance na ka Ministry of Environment and Forest jongka Sorkar India bakan penyar ye upor usam jongka ban klong mau habri sernot Menteri lang ba ka jelau Conrad sang ma uloong baka Jingïoh clearance jongka Star Cement kadai ka kam jongka Sorkar India Bat uloong baka Sorkar ka syuai tang ka report ban pentip ba amsyam lala ban penlong ya ka public hearing bat kumju ru ya ka report bakat nungut ki trajaka ki ba pediang bat kat nungut ki ba persya bat kabor ban aye ka clearance ka syong ha ka Sorkar India.
You see, we have in fact written to Government of India saying that a number of times the public hearing was to be held, and there was a public opposition that was held. That was there. This public hearing could not be held. There was a report of all the landowners, how many people had supported and how many were against it. So all these reports we have sent in detail to government of every meeting that has taken place. And we have left the matter to the central government to decide because it's something that is beyond. We have tried our best. So that was the end of that. But I don't know about this particular thing, what Government of India has done. But we have given the report as was mandated to be given to Government of India. Based on that, we have asked Government of India to take necessary action as per their knowledge and as per the rules and